Welcome back, everyone. Interior designer Libby Langdon is well known for her ability to seamlessly blend classic style with modern, easy elegance. Now she shows off how she brought that ethos into her client's bright and airy Tribeca apartment. Take a look.
Hi, I'm Libby Langdon, and I'm here at my client's tremendous Tribeca apartment. I'm excited to show you their beautiful home and offer you some design information and inspiration. Let's take a closer look. The design story starts when you get off the elevator and you enter their private vestibule, but the real drama begins when you enter the foyer. You can see we use this textured linear wallpaper, and then also I incorporated themes of circles. So there are a lot of different elements that come together to create one dramatic design impression. I repeated the curved theme in the dining room with these gorgeous barrel back chairs. In addition to the chairs, I used the curved theme in 3 key places. On the hardware with the console, the base of the dining table, and the chandelier. It's a light crystal and helps to ground the dining room space. The apartment overall is pretty neutral, but this area was a great way to bring in pops of color. The scale and the size of these pieces have a lot of impact. They really help to kind of make a style statement. The jumping off point for any room I design is always the furniture layout. The secret to making a large room feel cozy is texture, texture, texture. Everything from the wall covering to the wonderful geometric fabric on the chairs, the expansive tone-on-tone rug, the wonderful velvet on the sofa. It can make a design very interesting even if the space is primarily neutral. All these materials come together to create a room that feels cool and curated. My clients love to entertain, and I designed this room with that in mind. Can you imagine having a huge cocktail party in this amazing space with these incredible views? Cocktail, please. We wanted to create kind of a sexy bar lounge vibe, and this chocolate brown croc embossed wallpaper definitely does that. I wanted to add some contrast with some artwork, but I didn't want to add so much artwork that we covered up the wallpaper. It's always a good idea to incorporate one organic piece in a space. This petrified wood coffee table definitely does that. I also adore the swivel chairs, which are great if you want to sit, enjoy a drink with somebody, or swivel around and enjoy the stunning water view. My client is a fabulous cook, so we built this super long island that works for her cooking prep as well as entertaining. Oftentimes in kitchens, people are really thinking about surfaces that are sort of low. Don't forget to look up. Adding pendants, a cool hood, something like that can add a real style statement to your kitchen. All the bedrooms are pretty neutral, but each one has their own personality. For the primary suite, we wanted to keep it soft, peaceful, and serene. We did that by choosing this pale sage gray color, and we repeated that tone in the wall color, the artwork, the bedding, this velvet settee, and then brought in some pops of white in the drapes, the chandelier shades, and the lamp shades. It just goes to prove monochromatic does not mean boring. I'm so glad I got to show you my client's fun and fabulous New York City apartment, and I hope you got some ideas for your own home. Happy designing. I'll see you next time.